What's up, YouTube? We are here with a 2014 Ram 2500 HD with the 5.7 Hemi. It's all stock exhaust. Besides, we just replaced that thing right there. That's the original muffler that came out of it, I do believe. And we installed a Thrush Hush Muffler. There she is. This is the muffler clamps. I got a piece of tubing that I had to use to extend it. I still got to get another clamp on that end of it. I might just weld that piece right onto it. And I had to cut. Had to cut about not many inches off. I don't know. It's probably about 4 or 5 inches. I think I cut it a little bit too much off, so I had to kind of fudge it a little. But it's quiet. I had it running a little bit ago, so this isn't really going to be a cold start, but she's quiet though. It's quieter than I thought it was going to be. I'll give her a few rubs. She's a quiet little truck now. Probably a little quieter than I thought it was going to be. I use this truck for work, so still got the resonator on it. I don't know if you can see back there. Still got the stock resonator, so that's probably quieting it down a little bit, I would say. All right, you get the idea. Thrush Hush.